ng embahador ang 14 na bansa sa Pilipinas. Ang mga sugod ng iba't ibang bansa sa pangunguna ng Colombia at Sweden ay nagharap ng kanilang credentials kay Pangulong Aquino sa Malacanang. Ang ulat mula kay Elena Luna.
14 na mga bagong ambassadors ang malugod na tinanggap ni Pangulong Aquino sa palasyo ng Malacanang. Pinangunahan ito ng ambassador ng bansang Colombia na si Jaime Alberto Cabal San Clemente.
Your visit comes at a time when the Philippines is on the rise, a time when we Filipinos hold our heads high because of the great strides we have made as a people. The Philippines stands as a reliable and responsible member of the community of nations, ready to work with those who seek to advance goodwill and hope across the globe.
Formal ding nagpakilala kay Pangulong Aquino ang mga bagong ambassador ng mga bansang Sweden, Belarus, Afghanistan at Rwanda.
Your presence here is a testament to our mutual efforts to positively engage each other on the understanding that it is in all our interests to continue exploring ways to strengthen our relations.
Nagharap din ng kanilang credentials kay Pangulong Aquino ang mga bagong ambassador ng bansang Benin, Angola, El Salvador, Cuba, Fiji Islands at Mongolia.
We know that it is only through sincere cooperation founded on mutual regard that we can help uplift our own peoples in an international environment of peace and understanding.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.